Hi, my name is Nicholas Tarsillo. I'm a processing intern here at IHS Markit, and today I want to present and demo to you guys one of the projects we've been working on in Symphony. This is the room desk demo. So before we get into the demo, I just want to make sure you guys understood some key concepts. Um, as far as the room desk goes, you will only have to really understand what a client is, what a member is, what a bot is, what a client member chat is, and what a member room is. That's about it. Okay, so a client is a user in search of help. He simply goes on Symphony, he asks for help, and that message he sends asking for help is routed into a member room. Um, then there's a member. Member is subscribed to the bot. He provides answers and services to a client who needs help. His general purpose is just to help the client and make sure the client's questions get answered. Then there's the bot. He's the bot is just a bot that handles the routing of messages and handles all the functions of the help desk in general. Um, then there's the client member chat. It's just a multi-user chat on Symphony between the client and the member, and essentially what that means is a member can answer a client's questions from this chat, and the member and client can communicate with one another in the chat. And then there's the member room, which I referred to before. The member room is just a room with all the members on the system in one big dynamic private chat room. Uh, it's dynamic in the sense that you can add and remove users from the chat room, and it's private because only members can add other members into the room and onto the system. So here I have a diagram of the room desk. So first off, a client sends a message to the bot asking for help in a one-to-one chat. All a one-to-one chat really means is the client is talking directly to the bot on Symphony. So the only users in the chat that the client sends the message in are the client and the bot. The bot will take that message and route it into the member chat room. The member chat room just holds all the members, so therefore all the members can see the help request that the client sent. From there, a member can talk directly to the bot in a one-to-one chat, basically accepting that client into a call, and the bot will take that request and create a multi-user chat between the client and the member. And all a multi-user chat is a actual chat on Symphony with multiple users. So it would create a chat with the bot, the client, and the member on Symphony. And from there, the client and the member can communicate with one another and the member can try to resolve the client's question just as they would in any normal chat on Symphony. And finally, the bot provides information and command responses back to the member. So uh, whatever command that the member sends into the system, the bot will provide back feedback, will provide back information and different responses. So now that you guys have a basic understanding of how the room desk works, let's get into the demo. So I'm on the client side right now, and I'm just going to send a message into the room asking to have my password reset. So help, I need to reset my password. And as you can see, we'll get a message back saying we've joined the room as a help client. And now let's just switch over to the member side, and we can see that the message that our client sent was routed straight into the member room as it should have been. We'll type /help to see a list of commands, and we'll just go over some of the commands real quick. So first of all, I'm just going to set my alias to Nick, and I'm just going to send a message into the room so you can see what setting your alias does. So I'm just going to say I got this client. As you can see, it sends a message into the member room and it retains my alias Nick. We're going to check the online members, and I'm the only online member. We're going to check the call cache. There's no calls currently active, so there's nothing in the call cache. And we're going to type client queue to see who's in the client queue, and as you can see, it is the only client that has currently sent a message, and we're just going to accept this user into a chat. So when we accept a user into a chat, all the members get a nice notification that a new call has been created, and we can see the call by just clicking into the multi-user chat that has been created. And we get some nice information, we get some room info, we get a nice transcript of the help summary, and now I'm just going to switch over to the client side. And as you can see on the client side, a call has been created, so both sides see this call and they get the same information. And from here we can help this client. So just switch over back to the member side. I'm going to say, hi, how can I assist you? And it should send that message straight to our client. And as you can see, the client received the message. And we're just going to respond saying, I need to reset my password. So now if we switch back to the member side, we'll see that our client has responded to us saying that they need to have their password reset so they can log in. And we're just going to take a quick break. We're going to just look at some of the commands because there's actually different commands in different rooms. So a member will have different commands in this room than they would in the normal member room. So I have room info, help summary, and I can exit the room. Those are my 3 commands in this room. And I'm just going to check the room info real quick. It'll show the clients and the members in the room. We can look at the help summary, so all the help that the client has asked for. And now we'll just respond to the client saying, okay, I reset your password. You should be good to go. Can you go to your email to confirm that the message has been sent, or that your password has been reset. And I'll send it into the chat room. And if we take a look on the other side, we'll see that I have sent a message to the client saying that I have changed their password. From here the client would confirm it, so confirmed, thanks, and from there we'd switch back to the member side and the member will just exit the room after he's received the confirmation, of course. So exit. It'll say we have left the room, the call has been ended. So this will actually automatically kick the client on the other side too. So if we just switch back, it'll show that the call is ended. So both member and client were kicked from the chat. And from there, the client can go and ask for more help, and the member can go and help more people, and they can just repeat their tasks. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope you guys find this as interesting as I do. Thank you.